before I want to introduce this young man to you, before Bishop, one of the boss, let me introduce a young man to you. I'm flying in from Jamaica because they are abusing our woman too much. And when the people are paying me, they fly me because I want to go do something. They fly me. This young man, I hear him in Jamaica doing poem or poet. So me can't read. You don't know about them sitting there. And let me say this to you. I want to go see a poem for every woman tonight, or whatever I call it. True, Mr. Miss Lou, they call it different name for them age. Come my brother. Amaziyah, the great, is a youth where this party come from a Spanish town. The last time I go down there, they beat with my shit and set me on labor right. But look here, see me ending here. I'm not going down the field because who God bless?
Good night, New Jersey. Brother Gary, enough respect, big respect, not to rate. Partisan, tell them precisely it's Amaziyah the Great from Spanish Town, Jamaica. And big up all of the women them because they're looking spontaneous. You have some boy who go around on a hill street and I disrespect the women them. You get what me I say? So all of the man them who do them something they will not tolerate or something, they want to name the bitterness. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk, I saw tears raced on her bony face. She was pensive and motionless like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence screaming out, I'm such a big disgrace. I quickly interjected, honey what's wrong? And she yelled, get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same. Cheap lies who all take love for a game. I hate men forever. I should have killed Trevor. Yeah, put the bullet in his brain. Baby, y'all take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me. You can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9. It really shattered my mind. A decade after I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So I had sex with his best friend and WhatsApp him the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt, yet to start attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor, threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men, her heart is now cold. I offered a hug, she squeezed me tightly, saying thank you Mr. Kirkland for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV? The bitterness, stop abuse or a woman. And next one real quick, I was gonna say independence and Jamaica, big up for the self, the one in name respect. You're saying both got bronze in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, but if a negative remarks, yell out. One who expects sure respect because history was created. America bowed down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep your negative remarks to yourself, don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. The problem I encountered every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneaking the creeping, they want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. But try to get her attention, focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalates, much alarming crime rates. Your morals slowly deteriorates, and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember you're not alone. So Wagwan, can I get some love now? Oh sorry, I guess you love your phones. Most of us now understand how essential life is. We still don't waste time and I know what time really is. If only you understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite. Partisan, Why we celebrate? Big up on yourself, enough respect. Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them are going to tell you to see my face. Brother Beer, big respect. Jamaica family, enough respect. Blessings.
Woo! Wanna feeling good out there? Let me say yeah! Are you ready to go further? Let me say yeah!